Hi children, welcome to GMR Academy. Today we are going to learn singular nouns and plural nouns. Then while let's begin. Usually adding s to a singular noun makes plural noun. Examples: boy singular noun, boys plural noun, just adding s end of the noun. Boy, boys, girl, girls, book, books, bag, bags, cow, cows, day, days. See, day singular noun, days plural noun. Es is added to singular nouns ending in o, ch, sh, ss, x to make plural nouns. Example: hero. Noun ends in o. Es is added to make plural. Heroes. Es is added. Potato ends in o. Potatoes. Es added. In the same way, bench. Bench ends in ch. Es is added. Benches. Coach. Coaches. Like this. Bush ends in sh. Bushes. Es added. Wish ends in sh. Wishes. Es added. Like this. Class. Classes. Bus. Buses. Box. Boxes. But words of foreign origin ending in o add only s, not es. Remember the point. Examples: kilo. Word ends in o. Kilos, only s added, not es. In the same way, photo, photos, piano, pianos, radio ends in o. Radios, only s added, not es. The consonant y becomes ies in plural nouns when a singular noun ending in y and followed by a consonant. Remember the point? Before y, only a consonant, then it becomes ies. Examples: puppy, puppy. Before y, p consonant, so ies will come. Puppy, plural form, puppies, ies, not y. Lady, lady, before y, d consonant. Ladies, ladies, y becomes ies. In the same way, activity, ty, activities, tis, city, ty, cities, tis. Next point, s is added to the singular noun ending in y when y is followed by a vowel. Remember clearly. Above point, before y consonant. Here, before y only a vowel. So, consonant s is added after y. Y never changes into ies. See the examples. Boy, boy, before y, vowel o. Plural, boys, only s added, boys, not ies. Guy, guy, before y, vowel u. Guys, guys. In the same way, key, key, before y, e, vowel e. Keys, keys. Day, day, before y, vowel a. So s added, days, days. Next point, f or fe becomes ves in plural nouns when 12 singular nouns ending in f or fe. Examples: calf, calf, the word ends in f. F becomes ves, cows, calves. Half, half, f becomes ves, halves, halves. In the same way, knife, knife, here fe becomes vs, knife, knives, knives. leaf, leaves, loaf, L-O-A-F, loaves, L-O-A-V-E-S, self, selves. Next, sheaf, S-H-E-A-F, ends in F, sheaves, F becomes V-E-S, shelf, shelves, thief, thieves, life, here ends in F-E, L-I-F-E, becomes L-I-V-S, lives, wife, ends in F-E, wives, plural, wolf, wolves. The previous point clearly tells us that word ends in F changes into VS, but you should observe clearly this point. S is generally added to a singular noun ending in IEF, OOF, EF, FF or RF, makes plurals. Examples: belief, BELIEF, ends in IEF. S is added in plurals. Beliefs, BELIEFS. Chief, CHIEF. EF ends in EF. S added. Chiefs, CHIEFS. In the same way, dwarf, DWARF. RF ends in RF. Dwarfs, DWARFS. S added. Gulf, gulfs, GULFS. Handkerchief, handkerchiefs. Hoof, HOOF, OOF, ends in OOF. Hoofs, HOOFS, S added. Proof, proofs. Reef, ends in EEF. Reefs, S added. Roof, OOF, ends in OOF. Roofs, S added. Safe, ends in FE. Safes, SAFES. Turf, TURF. RF ends in RF. Turfs, TURFS. Next point, a few nouns form their plural by a vowel change. Examples: man, MAN, vowel A changing into E, men, MEN. Woman, A changing into E, woman, E. Goose, GOOSE, OO changing into E, geese, GEESE. In the same way, foot, FOOT, FEET, feet, plural noun. Tooth, tooth, singular noun, OO. Teeth, plural noun, TEETH. Mouse, MOUSE, OU changing into I, mice, MICE. Louse, 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 singular noun, OU changing into I, lice, LICE, plural noun. Next, die, DIE, IE changing into dice, DICE, IE changing into I. Names of certain animals or creatures do not change in the plural, which means both singular form and plural form are the same. Examples: fish, singular form and plural form are the same. Deer, singular form and plural form are the same. Like this: one fish, five fish, don't write fishes. One deer, seven deer, don't write seven deers. Seven deer. One sheep, two sheep, singular form and plural form are the same. One salmon, five salmon, salmon, same form. One cod, 10 cod, same forms. One carp, 3 carp. Important point, remember clearly. For sportsmen who shoot duck, partridge, pheasant, etc., use the same form for singular and plural, which means for sportsmen only, not for ordinary people or else other people. For sportsmen, there is no singular form and there is no other plural form. The meaning is two forms are the same to refer duck, partridge, pheasant, these, etc. For example, sportsmen who shoot duck, don't write who shoot ducks. Why? Because for sportsmen, both singular form and plural forms same. For other people we should add s to refer plural. Examples: duck, ducks for other people, not for sportsmen. Partridge, partridges. Pheasant, pheasants for ordinary people. Let's learn plurals of Greek and Latin nouns. Examples: crisis, 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 crisis singular, crises, es plural. Phenomenon, phenomena, phenomenon singular, phenomena plural. Erratum singular, errata plural, erratum, errata. Memorandum, memoranda, memorandum singular, memoranda plural. Radius singular, radii plural, radius, radii. Terminus singular, termini plural. Oasis, oasis. Dogma, dogmas, s added. Gymnasium, gymnasiums, s added. Gymnasium singular, gymnasiums plural. Formula, formulae or formulas, formula singular, formulas plural or formulae also plural form. Appendix singular, appendixes plural or appendices plural forms. Appendix singular, appendixes or appendices, two forms of plural. Index, indices or indexes, indexes, indices are two forms of plural for index. Libretto, libretti plural form or librettos another plural form. Libretto singular form, libretti, librettos. Tempo singular form, tempi or tempos, two forms of plural. Tempo singular form, tempos or tempi are the plural forms. Plural nouns from compound nouns. Examples: boyfriends, don't write boys friends, boyfriends. In the same way, break-ins, don't write breaks-ins. Travel agents, don't write travels agents, travel agents, travel agent, travel agents. Compound wall, plural, compound walls, don't write compounds wall. So, compound walls. Man driver, plural form, men drivers. Woman driver, women drivers. Hangers on, hang is the verb, er added. So, hangers is the noun form. Verb plus er nouns. Hang plus er, hanger. Plural form, hangers. On, adverb. Hangers on. In the same way, lookers on. Look, er, s. Lookers on. Runners up. Lady in waiting. Plural form, ladies in waiting. Sister-in-law, singular. Sisters-in-law, plural. Abbreviations also. S added. MPs, meaning is members of parliament. MP, MPs. VIPs, very important person, very important persons. VIP, VIPs. Next, personal pronouns and their plural forms. First person, singular I, plural we. First person singular I, plural form we. Me, singular us, plural. My, singular our, plural. Mine, singular ours, plural. Myself, singular ourselves, plural. In the same way, second person you, singular. What is the plural form? Same form, you, plural. Yours, singular. Yours, plural. Yourself, singular. Yourselves, plural. Next one. Third person. He, she, it or singulars. They, plural form. Him, her, it, singular forms. Them, plural form. His, hers, its, singulars. Theirs, plural. Himself, herself, itself, these are all the singulars. Themselves, plural. 100, thousand, million, and dozen as definite number which are singular nouns. Examples: 500 rupees. Don't write 500 rupees. Why? Because 500 is a definite number. 500 rupees. Rupees more than one. How many rupees? 500 rupees. Rupees plural. 500 is singular. Like this. 4,000 people. People plural. 4,000 is the exact number. It is singular. 4,000 people. People is plural. 10 million pounds. 10 million pounds. Pounds plural. 10 million exact number. 7 dozen eggs. How many eggs? 7 dozen eggs. Eggs plural. 200 times. How many times? 200 times. But we have the idea of a large number. We are using them in plural nouns forms. Examples: hundreds of victims. Here, not 100, more than 100. Hundreds of victims. Hundreds, more than 100, many. The meaning is here. Hundreds of victims. Don't write 100 of victims. 100 of victims is singular. Hundreds of victims, plural. Millions of people. Million, singular. How many? More than 1 million. So, millions of people, plural forms. Thousands of animals. Thousand of animals means here singular. Thousand. More than thousand. Thousands of animals. Like this. Dozens of times. How many? Dozens. More than a dozen. Dozens of times. In the same way, dozens of eggs. How many? Dozens of. More than 1 dozen. So, dozens of eggs, plural form. We can take a singular or plural verb for collective nouns. Singular noun means a single group or unit. Examples: our team is the best. Here our team is a singular verb, which means one team as a group of players. Group of players referred one team, one. So singular verb. Our team are wearing their new jerseys, which means each and every player in our team is wearing a new jersey. So here each and every player, so all the players are wearing, that is the meaning. Our team are. Next one. The crew is unloading cargoes from the ship. The crew, group of people, group. So referred in a single unit. So is unloading. Next one. The fire crew were called to put out fire. Here people, group of people, people were called. Who are? Fire crew. People were called to put out fire. So the fire crew, here the plural sense. Some nouns are always treated as plural nouns such as scissors, shears, glasses, spectacles, binoculars, scales, trousers, pants, outcuts, earnings, goods, riches, savings, stairs, quarters, premises. So we should use of all these in a plural sense. Plural verb is used. Don't write in a singular form. Next, mathematics, economics, physics, politics, etc., which are plural in form. Generally, we take a plural verb. Examples: the economics of the project are very encouraging. His mathematics are weak. Here we are using in plural sense. But branches of science can be considered singular form. So we are using those in branches of science. We always consider in a singular form. Examples: mathematics is an exact science. Don't write mathematics or. Mathematics is one of the branches of science. Physics is my favorite subject. Here physics also one of the branches of science. So physics is my favorite subject. Is singular verb is used. Some nouns are plural in form but singular in meaning. Examples: the news is broadcasting. Don't write news or. News always singular. Diseases: mumps. Mumps is. Don't write mumps or. Mumps. Rickets. Shingles. Games also: billiards, darts, draughts, bowls, dominoes. Billiards is my favorite game. Don't write billiards or. Dear children, I hope you understand singular nouns and plural nouns. Next video, I'll tell you kinds of nouns. I request you all to subscribe to my channel, GMR Academy, and don't forget to press the bell button for more updates. Like the video and share the video link with your friends. Thank you all. God bless you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.